Hello YouTube. It's a Friday morning and I've been quite busy already. Oh, because I had to fix the water pump, and now I have the washing machine working, and the whole day is going to be rather full of all kinds of doings. Yeah. But I would like to have a moment with you and to talk about something I found when I was arranging my stuff here in this room. I have made some room for my notebooks. Notebooks are also here. Notebooks are also here, and then in these boxes there are the birds' nests and rose petals and stuff like that. Yeah, I love birds' nests there. I like birds' nests, yes. And there was one of these boxes is here in front of me, and I want to show you what I found in this box. These are old things. This mouse and the. I need some paper. There's dust on them. Oh, they've been a long time waiting there. This mouse is mine. When I was a child, it lacks its tail, but and the other, yeah. But otherwise, it's very nice. It's made of wood and painted, and this roll, they are quite fluent, and so it's very simple. It's got eyes and it had some sort of whiskers, but the whiskers are also gone. It's a very nice toy, and it has lasted. It's from the 50s, and it's lasted quite a while. Okay, let's have it here. There's another wooden, same kind of toy. That's a bunny, like this. Same kind of structure. It's the body and then the wheels underneath. This is a bit more simple. It's got a hook here, kind of like that, and here, so you can draw it after you with something, whatever you like to have it. And so it's rather worn, but this is also from the 50s, and it's lasted quite a while. The front wheels are a bit, but the back wheels are quite straight and okay. These are a bit wonky, but anyway, this is another. Then I don't know what this is. I have no idea what is this. It's one of these you can attach somewhere, but I don't know where I got it and what it represents. No, well, anyway. Then there's a wooden fishbone. This is from Estonia, Tallinna, 98, I think it was. We made a little trip there with my boys, and I remember buying this because I liked it. Well, I have to wear it someday. Oops. Maybe the next time on YouTube I will be wearing it. Then there is the horse. I wonder if I can put it together. or if all the pieces are still here. Oh dear. This is the horse. This is the tail. Tail goes here, yes. Oh, no. And there's a thing like this. No, not that way. It might be this way. So we can have the tail part here. And then there's this one. Oh, is it like, no, it's not like that. It's like this. Well, there you have the horse. It's a puzzle. A wooden puzzle, yeah. There you have it. I did it. I could still do it. This is from the, I think, 80s or beginning of 90s. This is for my boys. Maybe it is 80s. It might even be in the beginning of 80s. I don't really remember. Oh. There's then there's this. There's a piece of plywood. Nothing done with it. Then there's this. It's a game, and these are the. Oh dear. Oh dear, I don't remember at all. Maybe it's like this. You put them in the holes. And these to the. But you can't put them in different holes. Well, I'm going to put them like that now. I don't know. It doesn't matter because I don't remember how you play this. No, I don't. This is very, very, very dusty. Maybe I shouldn't do it now. On the other hand, why not? Dusty, dusty, dusty. There. And there. And there. No. Ding, ding. This is funny. Graves from your fingers. Oh. And I feel so clumsy. My fingers are too big for this. But I'll do it. Now I started it, so I do it, and it will be okay. Oops. How many? If this should be full of this, so it's not going to be full. No. It's not. Is it? There's 3 and one there. Some blacks are obviously missing. Yes, but that's it. So I've got these old wooden toys. Yeah. They're like that. Okay, let's have them there on the side. And let's see the. Now, there. Some time ago I showed you these collages, and now I've added to them. To this one I've added with the green yarn these and all kinds of stitching and I'm still looking at it and thinking maybe it needs something more, but I don't think it needs any more anything. I like a kind of harmonious combinations, and if I now would put red dot or square somewhere here, or something else very powerful. I wouldn't like it. It destroys the harmony. It's necessary in some other kind of things, but not this one. This is very peaceful and soft and harmonious, and I think that's it. Yes. Oh yeah. Okay. And then there was the other one on the same color scale and a bit bigger, but and some more lighter wool. So this I've added these stitchings and these stitchings. There you have the red one, but this is still harmonious and peaceful. The red is not too strong for it. It's got the rusty red here too, and that one is not overpowering them. It's rather nice actually, and so I think this is ready too. Now I just have to. I think they need a glass top, and so I don't know. Let's find out. There are these wonderful little curls here. You see the wool has curls, and they're just absolutely lovely, absolutely lovely. And it's got a touch of tulle, which reminds us of jubileum and fest and dancing and things like that. So it's other music sheets too. So I suppose I will have to start some new ones after. I've got a set of 3 or 4 abstract collages, mixed media collages that remind these. I have to show them too someday maybe. I hope you're not quite bored. I think these kind of things are interesting. Oops. What else is there in this life? In these same boxes I found some very little things. There was a feather. It's from some very tiny bird. Not the big feather. Nice little feather. And there are some some drawings. I mean, these are from the 90s, or maybe I think 99, 2000 might be the right time. I haven't put date on them. There's a fox drawn with one line, and there's not a fox drawn with one line. No, there are foxes. Then there are, I wondered what this was. Then I thought it might be a leaf. And here it reads abstractions leaf. It's a leaf. Abstractions. Well, it could be what kind of, those fishes, those, I don't remember what's their name. Or it could be a flying piece of cloth or something like that too. Yes, and then there are these very